Did you know, on the island of Maui, there's a special plant called the silver sword. It looks like this, and it's the mascot of my high school. Holy shit. What's good, guys? It's your boy. Welcome back to the channel. Whoo, it's fucking hot in here. Anyway, we got a special package from my friends over at Sweetwater. Sweetwater, I love this company. This is not sponsored content. I just love this company for our audio gear. And I'm an audio mom. I love me some good music. And if you don't go to Sweetwater, I don't know, you guys are missing out. I want to give a quick shout out to my boy Chris Bear. He is my sound engineer. That dude is cool. Anyway, I just purchased a new setup because we're gonna be streaming again. We have this old mic here that I've been using for a very long time, but we're gonna be changing it up. So with all Sweetwater stuff, they give you an awesome bag of sweets, bro. I got Tootsie Roll sweet tarts, some bit of honey, a cinnamon drop, and peppermint. I always love them. They always give you this shit. It doesn't matter. And the moment of truth, the reason why we're here. Now shipping is pretty good. I live in Hawaii, so it's not too bad. It's actually really nice because I don't have to pay. I pay a lot for shipping here. It's expected with living here. So this, that's why it's too big for the other cam, is the Audio-Technica streamer / podcasting pack, which comes with their microphone, a headset, and a mic arm or mic boom, whatever the fuck you call it. Why don't we get right into opening this bad boy? How come this feeling? Dude, what the fudge? Okay, I guess they just stick this on. I don't freaking know. Okay, here we go. Whoa, like a Zelda suitcase. Ooh, okay. So in here we get the AT2005 USB. It's actually an XLR and USB mic. I'm actually going to use it as XLR because I have a DAC. They give you cable and pack. Nice. A really decent headset. Let's see what else you get in here. You get this. Let's see what's goody. Ooh. Okay. Oh, you get, this is the boom arm itself. It's actually better than this one. I'm actually going to be changing it up anyway. But yeah, that is the unboxing of the streamer podcasting bundle with the AT2020 USBs. I'm going to set this up right now. Alright guys, so this is the mic. I'm just going to go ahead and test it out for a while. Well, I'll see you guys next time in the next video. Peace!